Hey guys, it's Sarah Taylor. So I'm doing a kind of a little color split, interesting little bloom swipe. So I'm going to walk you through my colors. That is Golden Fluids black, and it's their carbon black. And then this is Nickel Azo Gold, and I put a tiny bit of black into it just to darken it just a tiny bit. And I named this painting Azo because I think it really celebrates that paint. That's a really pretty turquoise color. It's Golden Fluids turquoise mixed with a little bit of Lucas Krill paint. A few of their, one of their kind of blue-green turquoise colors. I'll list it below. And then that is Golden Fluid. Also, it's their high flow iridescent gold mixed with some of their iridescent gold fine fluid paint. And I'm finding it really intriguing to work with the golden fluids in this way. That's iridescent pearl, which is so beautiful for this technique. It really gives this kind of overlay of shine, and when it dries, it's so pretty. That's a little bit more of the Nickel Azo Gold. So I left the black only in the middle, and then the two patterns on the outside don't have any black, so I thought it would be kind of fun to sort of just play with that concept a little bit. It's a concept I'm playing around with in some other techniques as well, like my with the GAC Magic application. I just think it's kind of a fun sort of way to mix it up a little bit. I like the way it kind of draws your eye with the composition. So yeah, I'm just going to do some swiping and I'm going to spin it out. I will put my recipes below for my bloom. It's pretty basic. I mean, I do use American floetrol for my cell activator, and I just put a tiny bit of the minnow wax in it, and I think it works really well if you don't want to buy the Australian floetrol, which also works wonderfully from what I understand. All right, yeah, just if you have any questions, let me know. This is just a pretty little painting. It really shows how beautiful the Nickel Azo Gold is. I know that's been a very popular paint lately. I've been using it for a long time, and it's when you stretch it out and when it kind of moves and gets thin over and around other paints is where I find it to be a really magical effect with color. So, all right, I'm going to be doing some big projects, so I just thought I'd do just kind of in between prepping some other things, I wanted to do a fun little painting, and I hope you guys like it. And if you want to support me, there's some links below to my Instagram and my Amazon shop and some different things, my Patreon account. All right, you're wonderful for your support, and thank you for being with me. Have a beautiful day. Take care.